Okay, good morning students. Three identities we have discussed earlier. Now we are going to discuss the fourth one. Fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b. So same procedure we apply, okay, that you have done in the previous identity. First you take the first term of the first one x and then take the second one x plus b, then take the a in the second expression x plus b. Okay, now you multiply it, x into x square, x into b xb. You can write the bx also, no problem. A into x is x, a into b is ab. Okay, now see here, here there is no like term, so we can't add or subtract. See here, we will see the what is the common in the two terms. Here look, these two terms bx and x. So what is the common in these two? X is common, so we will take x common. So in the bracket a plus b is remain. So in last, and the value of x plus a into x plus b, what? X square plus x into a plus b plus ए बी. जनरली हम क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्ट इस आइडेंटिटी को डायरेक्टली यूज़ करते हैं और अब भी करेंगे, बट जब हम किसी आइडेंटिटी का या किसी भी फार्मूले का सॉल्यूशन उसका प्रूव कर लेते हैं, सो वी नेवर फॉरगेट इट. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस आइडेंटिटी हियर. जनरली जब हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं तो एक से ना इस साइड लिखते हैं, वी राइट लाइक दैट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस बी इंटू एक्स, है ना, एक्स हम लास्ट टाइम लिखते हैं. ओके, सो वेरी एवर यू कैन राइट, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, now next the fifth one. See the identity we are going to discuss, the fifth one, that is same like a fourth one. What is the difference? Only the difference is sign. Okay, only the sign is different, other things are same. So let's discuss. Fifth one is x plus x minus a into x minus b. So same procedure we apply. X, first take the first term, then whole second expression, then minus a, it means the second term in the whole expression. Okay, so this x into x, it is x square, x into b, it is bx, minus a into x, it is minus x, and minus a into minus b, it is plus ab. Now see, here also bx and x, so x is common. So see, minus sign also common, so we will take the minus x common. So in the bracket what is remain? B plus a, so we can write the a plus b. Always you have to write in order, na? B plus a doesn't look the good, so that's why we are writing the a plus b. So it is x square minus x square minus x, a plus b plus ab. So it is the x minus a into x minus b. Okay, it is the next identity. See, the four identities are same, we are going to solve, but what is the difference? Only the sign is differ. Okay, so in fourth one we have seen that the both signs were positive. Okay, these were in positive in the fourth one, and here these two are negative. Now in the sixth one, first sign is positive. See here, first is positive but second one is negative. Good. See, x plus a into x minus b. So same procedure apply. Take the first x, then take the second whole x minus b, then take plus a and the second whole x minus b. X into x, it is x square, x into minus b, it is minus bx, then a into x, it is x, then a into b, it is minus ab. Okay, a into minus b. So again see here, what is common? X is common. So if but we will not take the minus common because in both the term there is no minus. So if we will, so you can write the ax minus bx also. So just we are shifting the term. The x we are just writing first and minus bx we are writing later. Okay, so it is ax minus bx. Now take the x common. So you have taken the x common. So what is remain? It is a minus b. Okay, so the x. Okay, so x, if the identity x plus a into x minus y, so it is the solution of this identity. Okay, see, in this form you just write it, x plus into x minus b is equal to x square plus x into a minus b minus ab. Student, you just here the meaning of ab, it means a into b. Okay, the meaning of when the numeric will come, so we will not suppose the value of a is equal to 4 and the value of b is equal to 5, so don't write 4 5. Okay, the meaning of this ab is a into b, so we will write 4 into 5. Okay, don't write the 4 5. Okay, whenever in the variable, when we write the, suppose we are in the variable, if we are writing x y, its meaning is x into y. In the same way, see, suppose I am writing 3 in the bracket 4, so its meaning is 3 into 4. Okay, not a 34. Okay, you will face this problem in the question when we will solve the question, so that time you will face. Okay, now the seventh, next one, it is also same like the previous one, 4 5 and 6, but what is the difference here? The first sign we are taking the minus and second one is the plus sign. Same, take the first x, then second bracket, then minus a, then this bracket, so x into x square, x into b, bx, minus a into x, minus ax, minus a into b, minus ab. Okay, now take the x common, so b minus a is remain and it is minus ab. So x, what you can say that x minus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x, b minus a minus ab. So these four identity we have discussed. So these four were similar, only the sign were different. Okay, now we are just discussing what we have discussed till now. Okay, what we have discussed till now. See this student. First identity we have discussed x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so डायरेक्टली आपको इसको याद रखना है. क्वेश्चंस में हम विल नॉट गोइंग टू प्रूव इन द क्वेश्चंस, डायरेक्टली विल जस्ट पुट द आइडेंटिटी. बट हमने इसका सॉल्यूशन इसलिए देखा ताकि हम इसको कभी भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहे हमें भूल नहीं पाए. एंड द एक्स माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. x plus a into x plus b, it is x square. Okay, see these three identity, it is a group of, okay, these are one type of identity, it is a group of one type of identity, and these four identity, these are the second type of identity. See which four one, these four one, see these four are all are similar. First term is x in all and second one is the a. What is the difference? Only the sign is different. So see, आप फर्स्ट को प्रूव करके, फर्स्ट अगर आपको याद हो रही तो आप इसी के थ्रू अगर आपको फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी लर्न हो गए तो इसी के थ्रू अदर थ्री भी याद कर सकते. हाउ? सी, एक्स प्लस ए इंटू एक्स प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस बी इंटू एक्स प्लस ए बी. सो सी, अगर आप दोनों के प्लेस में माइनस पुट कर रहे हो तो इसके यहाँ पर भी आप माइनस पुट कर दो. यहाँ इन front of a minus will come, in front of b also minus, so we will take the minus common, so in the bracket again the plus will come, and here a and b, if both are minus, so if we will multiply the minus a into minus b, so it will become a plus sign. In the second one, which is the negative sign, b is the negative, so इसमें हम किसको नेगेटिव करेंगे? b को. so b, here negative sign will come, and here also, because a plus a into minus b, it what? It is minus ab. So no need to, okay, learn these all four identity. Okay, if you will learn this one, so on the basis of this you will learn these all four. Okay student, nice. Okay student, thank you very much. Good day, bye bye, take care and learn it properly.